Hamilton, the Bayport. Where do we go from here? Long ball for it. Come on, Nunez. Where do we go from here? Give it to me. Jeez Louise. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
So I told you guys you'd be in for something really special, and this episode we are going to be talking about movie locations in Salt Lake City. And one of my favorite all-time movies is The Sandlot. So we first learned about baseball and some other stuff, and what's really cool is most of it was filmed here. There's a couple locations that was filmed in LA for the Dodger Stadium and stuff, but check it out. So this was the location where they first played ball, and I can't get in there. It is fenced off, but it looks like we can go to more Sandlot memorabilia. Come visit the Hook and Ladder, 1313 West California. We'll go check it out, but I'm not going to do it today. That'll become later on in the video, so fast forward. There you go, right there, right after this. But check it out. We got like the Great Bambino. If you guys have not seen it, you guys definitely got to see it, because it's a good movie. Talks about some kids, learns about Babe Ruth, who he is.
Oh, yeah, the Great Bambino. Of course. I thought you said the Great Bambi. That wimpy deer? Yeah, I guess. Sorry.
Babe Ruth is a really big baseball star, and he was famous for a home run that hit it out of the park. Just amazing. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. It was produced in 1993, released in 1993, sorry. Produced in probably like 92 or so. But yeah, this is one of the lots here where they played ball, and then the ball went over into the guy's yard, and then the dog took it, and the whole movie is all about trying to get the baseball back from Babe Ruth that was signed.
Smalls, you mean to tell me that you went home and swiped a ball that was signed by Babe Ruth, and you brought it out here and actually played with it? Yeah, but I was gonna...
So, super cool. Let's carry on and let's find some more locations in Salt Lake City that we can show you guys. So, as I was writing, I actually came across this. So, it says the Sandlot, play ball. This is actually the Hook and Ladder fire station, number 13. It does like burgers, fries, all sorts of stuff. And what's really cool is they got this here, the Sandlot, which it looks like they've moved some of the stuff or kind of replicated how it was back in the day when they did the actual movie, minus the trailer. Yeah. L7 Weenie, killing me Smalls, famous saying there. gonna make me want to go watch this movie again. So that's what's really cool about this, is when you find stuff like this, you want to go check it out again and see some of the similarities as far as what you maybe would have missed. But this is like all sorts of really cool stuff that they got here. So let's take a look around. Okay, so it's told you we had a special treat. So in the beginning of the movie, you see, I think what's his name is moving into the house, and this is actually the house here, and then Benny's house is right over here. So pretty cool that they still have these and they still kind of look similar to it. And as you can see, we don't want to invade anybody's privacy or anything, so we're just going to kind of do a quick few shots of the house real quick and then bolt out of here, respect their privacy, that kind of thing. So but there's that house there for Benny, and then this one here.